Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best never dull is probably one of the most essential items for anyone looking to restore the brilliant shine to their cherished silverware, jewelry, and other fine metal items. This powerful yet gentle polish is formulated to cut through tarnish and oxidation with remarkable ease, leaving behind a mirror-like finish that truly impresses. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or simply want to maintain the beauty of your heirlooms, Never Dull offers a reliable and effective solution that saves you time and effort, making it a must-have in any household cleaning arsenal. Number 5. 7WELL 8 by 8 cm Jewelry Cleaning Cloth. Introducing our premium cleaning cloths, designed for the delicate care of your cherished jewelry. Achieve a brilliant shine without scratching. These cloths are ideal for sterling silver, gold, and platinum. They effectively remove tarnish and restore the luster of your favorite pieces. Each cloth measures 8 by 8 cm, making them perfectly sized for polishing intricate details. Keep them handy for quick touch-ups anytime. With 50 cloths in each pack, you'll have plenty for all your jewelry cleaning needs. Enjoy long-lasting shine and protection. Don't let your precious metals lose their brilliance. Use these cloths regularly to maintain their beauty and keep them looking like new. What we like. If you have a lot of jewelry or frequently clean multiple pieces, this bulk pack is incredibly convenient. It's designed for gentle cleaning, making it suitable for delicate items. Choose this if you need a cost-effective solution for regular upkeep of various metal types. What people say. It really works and I am very pleased with the results. I have used it on my silver jewelry and it made it look brand new again. This polish is very easy to use and it doesn't require a lot of scrubbing. Number 4. U7 Girls Barefoot Jewelry Anklet. Discover our exquisite barefoot jewelry, designed to add a touch of elegance to your every step. Perfect for any occasion, it complements your unique style. Choose between a luxurious 18K gold or a warm rose gold finish. Both options offer a radiant shine that will catch the eye. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this piece is made to last. Enjoy its beauty and resilience for years to come. Select from a variety of stylish chain designs, including heart, rope, Figaro, and Cuban links. Find the perfect match for your personal taste. Available in lengths from 25 to 30 cm, it ensures a comfortable and secure fit. This anklet is designed to be the ideal accessory for your foot. Surprise someone special with this beautiful anklet. It's a thoughtful gift that combines style and quality, sure to be cherished. What we like. Looking for a fashionable accessory that complements your style? This anklet offers a chic design crafted from durable stainless steel. If you appreciate subtle elegance and want a piece that lasts, this is a great choice for adding a touch of flair to your look. What people say. This polish works great on tarnished silver. It removed tarnish quickly and easily. The polish left a nice shine on my silver items. Number 3. MomentWish Moissanite Link Bracelet. Looking for the perfect birthday gift? This exquisite bracelet is a stunning choice for any woman in your life. It's designed to make her feel truly special. Featuring a brilliant D-color VVS1 moissanite, this piece sparkles with exceptional clarity and fire. It's a timeless addition to any jewelry collection. Made from high-quality 925 sterling silver, this bracelet offers both durability and a lustrous shine. It's a piece you can cherish for years to come. Show your wife how much you care with this beautiful charm bracelet. It's a thoughtful and elegant way to celebrate your love and her special day. The classic link design adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. This bracelet is versatile enough for everyday wear or special occasions. Give the gift of undeniable sparkle and elegance. This bracelet is sure to become a treasured favorite, bringing joy with every glance. What we like. If you're searching for a truly special gift for a loved one, this bracelet is an excellent option. It features genuine D-color VVS1 moissanite and is made from high-quality sterling silver. Consider this if you want to impress with a luxurious and meaningful present for occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. What people say. This polish works great on my silver jewelry. It removed tarnish quickly and easily. My silver looks brand new after using this polish. Number 2. WRIGHT'S by Weiman Silver Cleaner and Polish Cream. Restore the brilliance of your silver, chrome, pewter, and porcelain. Our fast-acting cream delivers instant results, bringing your valued items back to like new condition. Achieve a brilliant, mirror-like shine with just a few simple steps. Polish, shine, rinse, and buff dry in seconds for a remarkable finish. Our special formula creates a protective coating that helps delay tarnish from reforming. Enjoy your items looking their best for longer. Perfect for a variety of precious items including silver, chrome, pewter, porcelain, and even stainless steel. It's ideal for antiques, flatware, jewelry, and more. Trust in a brand that has been a leader in cleaning and protecting your valued items since 1873. Our products are proudly made in the USA. This convenient bundle includes both our effective silver cream and a polishing cloth to get you started right away. What we like. For those who prioritize gentle yet effective care for their silver items, this cream polish is ideal. Its ammonia-free formula cleans without scratching and leaves a protective coating to delay tarnish. If you have cherished antiques or frequently used silver pieces that need restoration and ongoing protection, this is the one to get. What people say. Perfect for bringing my sterling silver jewelry back to life. Used it on a bracelet of mine that I stopped wearing because it was so black and tarnished. Followed directions and used the tiniest bit and it went from black and tarnished to silver and almost new. It's not dirty to use, and rinses off very nicely. The difference was nearly immediate. After rinsing the cream off my silver, I already noticed a slight difference. The results are very fast. Number 1. Weiman Silver Cream Cleaner 3-in-1. Introducing the Weiman Silver Cream Cleaner 3-in-1. It's designed to safely clean, polish, shine, and restore your precious metals. With its finest ingredients, it keeps silver and other metals beautiful for years. Enjoy a long-lasting shine that endures. This cream rejuvenates dull and tarnished silver. It removes tarnish and polishes to a brilliant shine, bringing back its original luster. Our ammonia-free, anti-tarnish formula is safe for use on jewelry. You can confidently use it on pieces with diamonds or gemstones. It leaves behind a protective coating that prevents tarnish from reforming. Keep your items looking their best for longer. This versatile cleaner is suitable for all silver, silver plating, and jewelry. It also works wonders on gold, brass, copper, and aluminum. What we like. If you need a comprehensive solution for cleaning, polishing, and protecting your precious metals, this 3-in-1 cleaner is perfect. Its advanced anti-tarnish technology offers long-lasting shine and is safe for jewelry with diamonds or gemstones. Choose this if you want a powerful yet safe product that restores and protects a wide range of metals and jewelry types. What people say. This polish works great on my silver. It removed tarnish from my silver jewelry. The polish left my silver looking shiny and new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.